with their star man down the ground here. Keeper, you've got to be a little critical there. Okay, he does well.
Wolfgang Sitka. Yeah, Wolfgang Sitka is so respected. There was so much criticism, he told me, around the show. Rugby Bering is trying to give the president it's better for Australia. They will be without their captain, Hong Yong-jo. Available players in their opening match. Beat Iran 1-0. Was after the war. And the Socceroos in the quarterfinals. We're underway with everything still to play for these two sides in group. Because they wanted to get the ball wide and get those crosses in. That's where they feel there's a weakness in this Korea DPR lineup. Yeah, but he would definitely come over the wings in the semi-finals. Unfortunately, he's playing for a trial, but has been in Manchester City, joined Sven Goerens with the Cyprus club, Apollon Limassol, but in the end I think we were the only club in the world with one free central defender. And it's very, very difficult to break such a line. There are almost 5 defenders this evening for Iraq, a foul on Hong Yong-jo. He missed a penalty in the opening game. The number 15. Playing in the centre of depth, Ri Myung-guk. Yes, the situation in Iraq means many of the players continue to play professional outside. And that's still a problem to run. He had an amazing start in German professional football in VfL Bochum. And he was so important that Bochum tried. That's why he was listed for him in his standing on hack. The 32-year-old veteran, the number 17, just asking the question, is this side going to win? If they can't, no penalty. Never. But here's the chance. In fact, I think it might be Mustafa Karim, who's turned up a little bit more pressure on the defender, so and Yunus Mahmoud, Rashid Akram, Hussain Munir, Mahdi Karim, Awam. They played 10 years. They've got 34 goals on the international stage, and this is 89th appearance for Iraq as Hussain Munir. Now Mustafa tries one, it's a good effort, surely, and it's Karam, the number 13, who fires Iraq in front. 22 minutes on the clock. It was a great shot from Mustafa Karim. The keeper did well, but he could only palm it straight into the path of Karar Jazim. Iraq lead by a goal to nil. Worryingly though, we've got Yunus Mahmoud down on the edge of the box. There. Mustafa Karim, substitute player, the same other players, a fantastic strike. Oh, moving around in the air as well, difficult one for the keeper. And the other substitute, Karar scored, the man with the yellow shoes. Well, we can say Wolfgang Sitka has got that right so far. Mahmoud though, he's walking very gingerly on that left boot and blocking. And we'll see the goal again. Nothing the defenders could do about that. Iraq with one foot in the quarter-final. On the ground, we see that goal again from Karar. That was midway through the first half. Now he's gone down and he's still complaining. It felt beautiful for him. Actually tucked it away quite nicely. He was at full stretch and there was a defender getting back as well. Still do have to pull his way for nothing there, and now it's when French giant Olympique Lyon had a look for him and they made him an offer to play in France, but he refused. But what can he do alone? Yeah, good freaking. What can he do alone? Very, very alone. There is no support, any support, to play 1-1 or even there are not. And he Jun Lam, See that free kick again. Smart save, from Mohamed Khatib. Save that had to be made. It's an ambitious effort as well.
He is a 29 years old player, so important for the national team. You don't see him very well.
Yeah, Syria DPR are to win this one. The player down. And then you see why. At that moment, just got away from him.
Good skills. Great ball. But goalkeeper blocked everything. Players for the Iraqi national team.
For the moment, there's a chance as of yet, but they're getting closer and closer.
They have two changes.
Well, it's on the counter-attack. Tried to hit it first time. The 10 minutes against Iran.
It's not very nice after passing the ball to get such a tackle in your legs.
Well, it may look...
There is nothing over the left side. The reason is very, very simple. Basim Abbas, the left defender, does not... he can't give it. And he took it direct and it's difficult, but fantastic cross and a good move.
Very close to being 2-0 and curtains. They haven't conceded as many here. They haven't had that disastrous walloping that they received at
The midfielders changed
up the corner. So perhaps that's Wolfgang Sidke trying to get a bit more balance going forward, because Kadar is very much a right footer.
It's very quiet now. It's a disappointing crowd, isn't it, Robbie? It's an important match today.
Well, the Iraqis are on that pace there. He's doing T-shirt. He's up there in front as well. Good piece of defending from the youngster, the teenager in this squad. It is hard to see, don't it? Hard to get up. And there was nothing in it. The replay would offer some defence to the...
As I said at the beginning, in performance to score at least 1 or 2 goals today.
They are not good enough. Always the greatest indicators as the half-time whistle goes. Iraq lead Syria DPR by a goal to nil. It came in